Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. And so the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch or wake up the screen on it. If you need to turn it on, press and hold the side button until the watch turns on, and if you need to wake up the screen on it, press the side button to wake up the screen. And once you wake up the screen or turn on the watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it, and once you find the, or rather open the settings menu, you should see the reset option right here. Tap on it to select it. Come on. And once you select it, tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the resetting process is done. It takes about a second or two. Basically, once you see the watch face again, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.